Right, so again, we're discussing angles of elevation and depression. So again, here is the definition for an angle of elevation. It's an angle formed by a horizontal line and a line of sight that's elevated or pointing upward. So again, an angle of elevation is formed by having a horizontal line and opening up from that line. This would be an example of an angle of elevation. If you are at an airport looking up towards a plane, the angle you're looking up is an angle of elevation. Angle of depression, on the other hand, is an angle formed still by a horizontal line, but it's formed by a horizontal line and a line of sight that's depressed or pointing downward. Okay, so this is an example of an angle of depression. The airplane is flying this direction. Notice here's our horizontal line, and we do have an angle formed, but to form that angle, it's opening downward from the horizontal line. So this is an angle of depression. All right, here in this figure, let's identify all of the angles of elevation and all of the angles of depression. So to do that, let's find our horizontal line. So here's a horizontal line. Notice here an angle is formed with that horizontal line. Is the angle formed by going up from the horizontal line or going down? Well, we notice it's formed by opening up from the horizontal line. Up is angle of elevation. So angle 1 is one of my angles of elevation. Let's look for more horizontal lines. Here's one. There's a horizontal line right there where the man is looking. Okay. Notice there are two angles formed. There's one here. How was angle 2 formed? Did we go down from our horizontal line or did we go up? Notice it's formed by going down from that horizontal line, which would make it an angle of depression. Angle 2 is an angle of depression. Angle 3 is right here. Was that angle 3, that opening, is it formed by going up from a horizontal line or by going down? It's formed by opening up from the horizontal line, making it an angle of elevation. So angle 3 is also an angle of elevation. We have one more horizontal line in our picture. Whoops, sorry, there it is. We do have an angle formed with that line. Is the angle formed by going down from our horizontal line or by going up? Well, it's formed by opening down from our horizontal line. So angle 4, that angle is an angle of depression because it was formed by looking downward from a horizontal line.